And then
On the left.
it's gonna be
Your destination is on the left.
a bit lost.
Alright, here's Singleton.
I think it's this one. Oh yeah, 1407. No, this one right here. This one.
Oh, this one.
Yeah. Okay, where do we park? We can park here. Oh, it's right there.
Look, it's the house. It's nice. Oh.
Is it up here?
Welcome to our home. So first off,
Right off the front door is
Front
the
door.
bathroom. Very nice.
nice shower
Shower.
here.
Nice and bright.
Then
Over here is the bedroom, living area with the high ceiling.
nice. Look at that. There's bedroom, living room, all in one.
Yeah, it's a studio.
Studio.
And over here is a tiny kitchen. Very cute. Look at the size of this.
Oh, dishwasher.
Dishwasher. And a tiny stove. Oven. How cute. Coffee maker.
Refrigerator.
Cute little fridge. And our host left us some beer and water.
Yep.
Perfect.
Lone Star beer.
Too bad I don't drink beer. It's for the hubby.
You drunk tonight?
4 cans of beer.
Yeah, that's it. It's our little tiny home.
For 2 days.
Two nights, 3 days.
2 nights.
Austin, Texas.
Just chill now.
It's been so long I can't remember your taste now, and the weight of your touch. It's been so long I can't remember what it felt like to drown in your love. It's like I've been walking here for days, lost in the dance of